Hi friends, today as SPPU examinations, that is online examination started, many regular students started their examination from today, like pharmacy, engineering and so on. So what you will do, if you see these type of screen in SPPU online MCQ examination, and one message is there that daily you have to go for an updation up to appear till night 11 p.m. So we'll start these discussions today. So in this examination, what happened today, it may happen tomorrow. Today many streams were having their first online MCQ paper for regular students. At a time more than 66,000 students were logged in at the same time, and university server was down. So many students were getting different types of messages on their screen, and due to that the many students become very panic, and they thought that their chance has been missed one. At last university given message that students can try again and again till 11 p.m. in night, as on the number of students at the same time they were logged in. So now this is the new thing you have to remember daily. If you don't get the desired screen, you have to log in till night 11 p.m. So I have taken a screenshots from my students mobile, and they have submitted me. So generally we all desire this type of things, that is a test submitted successfully. Many student in their first attempt itself they have got all the questions solved, and this message, the test submitted successfully, were found. So this is our desired, but many students were getting the problem to go ahead. Now second, this type of message were there that no test is active, please contact your administrator. So either administrator, that is your college or exam CEO, or if not possible, or then you can call to the university phone numbers. If not, there are some mail IDs I have mentioned over here. So you can take from another mobile the photos of your screen, and you can upload those type of screens which you have saved in your email ID if you get such type of problem. Now third is, that is environment check instruction. Some of the students, they were getting some instruction that this is an auto proctor test. Webcam of your system will be used to capture your image. Environment check will cross verify the working conditions of your webcam. It is advisable to turn off any chat applications like Google Talk, Yahoo Messenger, etc., antivirus, auto updates, and any other notification. Otherwise, it will be counted as navigations, and you have only 30 chances to go ahead. It is advisable to keep a window in 100% zoom to easily allow camera. Do not try to cover or unplug the camera of your system. If you found, then it will be considered for the cancellation of your exam. Real time monitoring will start during the exam after you click on the next button. So then later on you can go for the proceeding of the examination. Now you may have a set of 50 to 60 questions, and let us say this is a question 60. We have chose this type of option, and when you have gone for further things, that the downside, it is coming the invalid question. Now you cannot go previous also, you can as it is a 60th question, you cannot go next also. So you have to end the test over here, and remember that when your time, it will remaining just 1 minute, at that time itself you have to end test button. Otherwise it will be auto consider or auto tested, but later on some students are not getting the messages that the exam were done successfully. So that is again a problem. Fifth, that is assign one test and taken 9. Many students were giving their examinations, but even though they have given one examination, mistake or might be some software problem from university side, that message is coming test taken 9. So students are confused that whether they have given one test or whether it is recorded as a 9 test. So what to do? So once it is completed, don't take a lot of tension over here. Just take a photo of this screen and you can mail to the university that though I have given one attempt all examination, but it is showing that such type of message. So please record my examination that I have given one examination in one attempt, but by mistake it is showing the test taken 9. So by keeping such type of message you can mail it to the university. Now sixth case, that is no test is assigned to this email ID. Many students were logged at 1 o'clock and after till 5 minutes, 10 minutes they were waiting till half an hour and there is no test is assigned to this email ID, and they were asking that what to do about these things. So you have to keep patience, wait for those things, because let us say one paper is there, so all pharmacy and all engineering or all students, they are logged in at the same time. That's why the server getting down from that side and you are not getting your chance. But once you will start your examination, from that point itself, next 60 minutes it will be counted, provided that your internet speed as well as university's server, they should match. Many students were done it successfully, but many students got the problem. So this is a no test is assigned to this email ID. If you, even if you see this screen, don't worry, just try to log in again and again. Now this is seventh message, that is invalid request, please contact your administrator. Even though you are going inside, let us say 10 minutes are over, but invalid request, please contact your administrator. So just take a screenshot or photo from other mobile. Don't take screenshot because you are not allowed for such things. So just take a proof of it that you have got such type of message. Try till 1 hour. Even though it is not getting, then that's the time to do email to the university that I am facing such problems, and you have to write the information. I have given one format at the end to how to report those things. Now 8, nothing is seen. So this is a much more pathetic condition. You have logged in, you are going in, and there is only this thing it is going on. Even this blue line, it is not completed. It is just 80% or 75%, and you are waiting and waiting, and that raises your tension that whether internet connection from my side is not there or server side from university is not there. So what to do? So in such case also you have to be very patient, and with the patience you have to deal this situation again and again on time to time basis. If not, you can again uh, go ahead, see the time that 12 minutes still these students were getting those type of problem. Now 9, that is please check your internet connection to resume the test information, and retry test or download you cannot go ahead. So this type of problem also there with many students. So in this situation also you can't do anything unless and until some time you have to go ahead and do those things again and again. Now submitting test. Suppose you have done all 60 questions, submitting, you are just going for submitting button. You applied on submit button because you have submitted over here and tested, but submitting test, it will take itself time. So again this is a somewhat panic condition that I have solved all my 60 question. I have done end test button also, and the response it is coming that my examination is going to be submitted, but it is not showing the result what we have seen in first slide, that is your result is submitted successfully. So you have to wait till result submitted successfully. If it is not getting, or in between suppose your time is finished and it is automatically vanished, so in this case also you have to remember that take a proof of such things, and then later on you have to submit that this thing were happening with us and we have done this. Now do one thing, that is I have given in my earlier videos also, that keep this type written message, that suppose I am student of this college, seat number and PNR, college code, and was attempting this subject online examination between 10 to 11 or 1 to 2 through my mobile number. As a might be this type of thing you will report, and then if any problem, whatever problem, now here it is a overcut problem I have explained, but out of these 10 any problem you can explain over here, and till what time you have solved, and again suddenly you have got the problem, that thing you have to report over here. And this type of things were happening or was happening with me, so please do the needful. Thanks, waiting for your hopeful reply. Type and send this message in your mobile, and or some suppose other mobile in home also, keep it ready. Note and save college exam and university exam numbers also, and send if problem it come. But only the thing is that within the same date only you have to report those problems, so that it can be considered in your examination in future also if the date comes. So where to email or report? So this is the most important email ID. Note those two email ID. Any message or any problem whatever you came across, you have to send this to exam_feedback@unipune.ac.in, and same email ID you have to, either you can keep as a copy or BCC, whatever it may be. So support@vbox.com. So this is a what you can say software email ID. Now this type of some further phone numbers are there to contact help desk, but many students were reporting that even if you call also, university is not responding or they are not giving a desired answer. So better way, rather than doing phone, you should do the email, so that you will have a proof if you need to prove it later on that you have contacted within time. So these things are there. You can contact your principal, exam CEO or college members, and ultimately even if you getting different type of problem as a common way, so you can mail it to the Shri Honorable Mahesh Kakade, Director, Board of Examinations and Evaluation, or you can report on those phone numbers. So remember those all things. Don't be panic. Go ahead with your examinations. Now this thing it came that you have to wait till night. Again second day your second examination is there, so many students are in problem that how to study for second paper also. So day by day this newer type of thing we are coming across. So don't worry, don't be panic. Just sort out your problem, take its proof and email to the university. If you like this video, subscribe and share to many students as they are suffering this problem. Thank you.